Okay, if you did this correctly, your answer should have been 40 meters. Okay, use this to check your previous work. All right, here we go. Last thing. This is a two-part problem. These are tricky because, of course, not only do they have more than one part, but also you have to use whatever you get in the first part for the second part. So right here, a frisbee is thrown at an initial speed of 10 meters per second. So that's my VI. After about 60 meters, that is my delta D. It has a speed of 5 meters per second. It's my VF. So if I were to go through, write things out, VI is equal to 10, VF is equal to 5, delta D is equal to 60. It's asking for our acceleration. So acceleration is our unknown. And our equation is the same as it was before. A is equal to VF squared minus VI squared divided by 2 delta D. Now all we gotta do is plug it in. So this is not too difficult, just same thing as it always has been. So make sure you put the 5 on the VF side because this will be slowing down. So your acceleration should be negative. 2 times 60. And the answer is negative 0.625. I forgot to solve it beforehand. I had the answer, I did everything, but I forgot to actually remember the number. All right. See, memorization is unimportant in the long run. I don't ever use it. You don't need a good brain for memorization to be able to do physics, just so you know. All right. Next thing, how long was the frisbee flying in this scenario? So this means, how long was it flying? That implies we are solving for time. So in this case, time is our unknown. We only have one formula we have two formulas that use time so far. We've got V average is equal to delta D over delta T, but we don't know this. And we have the other formula, A is equal to VF minus VI divided by delta T. We just solved for our A, so now not only was it our answer in the last problem, but it's now our given in this one. Our VI is equal to 10 still. Our VF is equal to 5. All right. Now we start plugging things in. I forgot to change color. Too late now. Divided by delta T. I will change color for this, however. So when we want to switch A and delta T, just like we did before, because they were on top, this one's on bottom, all of a sudden we got delta T is equal to VF minus VI divided by A. So we plug this in. Delta T is equal to 5 minus 10. Still remember VF is that way. Divide by negative 0.625. And you get an answer of, drum roll. Actually, I don't want to do a drum roll. 8 is your answer. That's your answer. 8 is your answer. 8. 8. 8. That's what you get for the time. So it was flying in the air for about 8 seconds before it reached the speed. I didn't say it had landed yet, but up to this point, it had been traveling for 8 seconds. Hopefully this kind of made sense. There is one problem like this on the homework, and you should be good to go. Okay? All right. Enjoy your weekend. Do the DOL, do the work, and you should be good to go.